Alright, so we're going to be filming this backside here as they're doing this portion, just so you can kind of see how they're going to have to do this. Just cutting that off there. So as you can see, it's really not an option to not put this one on this side. You do have to take at least one shingle to that back side because of that overlap that has to be done. Again, you can see, put them on both sides, just have to go over the top with it. Make sure we get that over the top ridge there and the good seal. Last thing that they will do is add these ridge cap to it, essentially. So if we take these over here, just to kind of get a look at what it's going to look like. So it's going to look something similar to that when we're all said and done here. But now we got the shingle going back on this side, and you can tell, it again, it has to go on the back.